the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making loaded baked potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are butter, black pepper, salt, sour cream, olive oil. We're also going to need green onions. I have 2 baking potatoes. And I'm using steak-ums. You guys can use the meat of your choice. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is get your potatoes. You want to wash them real good. Then you want to dry them off. Next, you get you some olive oil. And you want to coat your potatoes with the olive oil. Okay guys, once your potatoes are nicely coated in the olive oil, what I like to do next is get a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of adobo light seasoning, and also a teaspoon of ground black pepper. All I did was mix it in a bowl, and all you do guys is go ahead and sprinkle it over top of your potatoes. Get that well coated. Okay, next guys, after you have your potatoes seasoned, all you want to do is take a fork, press down, and make holes throughout your potato. You could do that about 10 times on each potato. Okay guys, once you poked holes in your potatoes, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Get a piece of aluminum foil and go ahead and wrap your potato. Okay guys, we have our potatoes wrapped now. We're going to put them in the oven. Usually normal size potatoes you cook for 1 hour. Mine are a little bigger, so I'm going to put them in for about an hour to 15 to 20 minutes. So I will see you then. Okay guys, I say about 10 minutes before your potatoes are going to be done. Go ahead and get your meat prepared. As you can see, I fried up my steak-ums. Cut up some green onion, sour cream, and cheese. And also have your butter, pepper, and salt ready. Okay guys, it's been an hour and 20 minutes for me. So now I'm going to go ahead and open our potato. Guys, be very careful removing them from the oven that you don't burn yourself in opening them up. Okay guys, here's our potato, and the way to tell if they're fully cooked is to go ahead and stick your fork all the way down through it. It goes straight down. They're ready. Okay, next guys, you want to just cut your potato down the middle. Then we're going to take our spoon and scoop out the potato itself and put it into a bowl. Okay guys, your potatoes should look like this now. And I have the inside right here. I added some butter. All you want to do is go ahead and mash them up. Put you a little bit of salt and pepper, taste as you go along. And then I'll be right back to show you the next step. Okay guys, once you have your inside of your potato mixed up and seasoned to your liking, all you're going to do is take the filling now and start putting it back into your potato like so. So we're going to fill them up with the potato, then we're going to move on to our toppings. Okay guys, once our potatoes are filled back up, we're going to go ahead and get us some cheese. We're just going to sprinkle the cheese on top. Just like that. Then next we're going to get our meat. Okay guys, I've made steak-ums. As I said before, you can use the meat of your choice. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and start to pile that on. Okay guys, once your meat is on top, we're going to go back in with some more cheese. Then we're going to put them on a cookie sheet in the oven for about 5 minutes or until the cheese melts on top. Okay guys, now once it's out the oven, you can go ahead and put some sour cream on. You can put whatever you like at this point. And I think on this one I'm just going to put a little bit of green onion. And probably going to add just a little bit more cheese to the top. Okay guys, so there you have it. Your loaded baked potato. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and like, and come back soon. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.